Gearheads, fasten your seatbelts. We're taking a joyride into the future with the BMW Vision NOA Class, a concept car that's blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Here at David Automobile YouTube channel, your opinion is our fuel, so buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know what you think. The NOA Class isn't your average concept car. It's a rolling laboratory for BMW's vision of electrifying, pun intended, the future. Whispers suggest a high-performance electric powertrain with lightning-fast charging capabilities and a range that will conquer road trip anxiety. Imagine instant torque launching you from 0 to 60 in a heartbeat, all while enveloped in the serene silence of an electric future. But that's just the beginning. The juicy details, like the exact battery size and horsepower figures, are still under wraps. That's where you, the awesome viewers, come in. What are your electric car dream specs? Hit the comments below and let's speculate together. Move over, buttons and knobs. The NOA Class interior is rumored to be a minimalist masterpiece. Think sleek lines, premium materials, and a focus on clean, functional design. Smart touchpads and voice-activated AI are said to take center stage, creating an intuitive and futuristic experience for driver and passengers alike. But will it be too tech-heavy for those who crave a tactile driving experience? Only time and potentially future leaks will tell. BMW has hinted at a late 2025 or early 2026 release for the production version of the NOA Class. That means the wait for this electric sports sedan, potentially a rival to the 3 Series, is almost over. As for the price tag, mum's the word from BMW, but considering the luxury materials and innovative features, expect it to be competitive within the electric luxury car segment. The BMW Vision NOA Class is more than a car. It's a crystal ball showing a glimpse of the future electric driving. While some details remain shrouded in secrecy, the core message is clear. BMW's going electric, and they're doing it in style. Stay tuned, car enthusiasts. As more information surfaces about the NOA Class, we'll be here to keep you updated. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Let us know your thoughts on the NOA Class in the comments below. We love hearing from you.